I don't know how to on the monetization. Monetization saved. Okay. Wa man.
Nagtas ka?
Karon.
Just another woman in
Mother.
love. The kid at still.
Hello, viewers from all around the world. How are you doing?
Doon namin, di aman mo may nakita na ho. Upcoming. Notification bell. Wala na ni ko ano? Wala
Ano
ni
Sam?
ko.
Wala pa man na.
Na pa di ay. Pila ka minutes?
Mga dakan-dagan pa na.
Wala na, loading.
Wala pa lagi na, mother.
Uy, di amay, di ay bawas na Ricky.
Hi everybody.
Ricky, uli na.
Hello to my one viewers. How are you doing? How are you right now? Good morning. Could you please, chat me so that I won't be bored here because I have been talking all alone for almost a minute. I mean for almost 3 minutes na, and I get a little bit bored. That's why I decided to film a video and go on live. Yeah, that's it. But since we are not that famous, so there's no, there won't be people who are going to watch you, but I'm still hoping that there would be someone who are going to, to watch me and do the talking stage. Not really that talking stage. I mean, like, you're just going to chat me and ask anything about my life and whatnots. Hello to my two viewers. How are you doing right now? Taga-saan po kayo? Are you just from the Philippines or are you in another country? And am I audible? I was checking on my other phone earlier and I was audible. Yeah. I hope that within your area I am also audible. Hello to my one viewers. You could chat me if you want. Hindi naman ako nangangain ng tao. I mean, like, I am just so bored right now. That's why I decided to, go on live and have some talking, like that. Yeah. So it's kind of bit cold here in Leyte right now, and the weather is not that good. It's pouring out there, and it's raining now. So I think you could hear it in the background that the rain dropped into our roof. Yeah. The third drops. Yeah. I guess you could hear it in the background. So for those who were asking why I am speaking English even though it isn't my vernacular, I did speak English because who knows if the one who is watching this video right now is not really a Filipino, or I mean, like, maybe it isn't a farm. That's why I decided to just say it in English even though I wasn't that really good at it. So, magparamdam naman po kayo so that I won't get bored here, It's really hard to talk all by yourself, alone, para kang baliw. Or, yeah. And I hope that you are doing good right now. Especially that there's a lot of issues in the whole wide world right now. Yeah. Hello to my one viewers. Thank you so much for not leaving me. I really appreciate it so much. Like, really. Like, sometimes whenever I go live, there's no one even watching me. And yeah, it's a really rare situation that there are two viewers who were watching you right now. It's a really